Hi everyone, welcome to Elvi Creations. Today I'm going to do this video to make coffee cappuccino. First of all, what I need to do is that because I have bought a new coffee machine, so right now I need to use Thermomix to blend coffee. Nice smell this coffee. Okay, this coffee bean, I need to put it inside. Okay, I need to find the weighing scale. For one person, you need 20 gram. For two person, you either take 35 or 40 gram. Okay, so I need to use this weighing scale to weigh. Test 0, then we have to pour in 20 gram for one person. Okay, so blend. Close it. Then we're going to find the blender here. 30 seconds is the preset. So right now we touch the big button here and then we start to blend the coffee bean. Wow, coffee bean. Seconds, coffee bean. Ta-da! This is my new coffee machine. Let's open it. Newly open this box here. We have these two filter. Another one here, so rubber in the middle. Then we have the whole thing. We have a universal adapter. Where is this? Oh, this one Eco Decor Mini. And then we also have this user manual. Coffee maker instruction for use. Yeah. Then we also have. Okay, let's open the whole new unit. Coffee machine. I'm so excited. Oh. Scoop. Wow, so nice. See? And we have this scoop, really scoop the coffee bean, and this one punch to it. Flatten. Wow. My coffee machine. So the coffee powder, we need to scoop one portion, right? Okay. Pour it in here. Then we use this one to flatten it. Okay, flatten already. Okay, now we're gonna press. This is 1 cup, 2 cup. So this one is espresso. Let's try. Now we do the frothing of the milk. See? There's the temperature here. This one. There. Hot milk cappuccino. Okay, let's have some coffee, my cappuccino. Wow. Thank you for watching LV Creation. Hope you enjoy watching my video. See you next time. Remember to subscribe my YouTube channel LV Creation. Bye bye.